The Lord is with you, mighty man of valor, mighty woman of valor. Go in the strength that you have and save Israel, save your family, save your community, save your nation. And all you need to do is amen to that. This week I'm talking about the charges that come against us. And today I want to focus on the charge that we level against ourselves that ends up undermining our self-confidence and not responding to God's commission. In Judges chapter 6, the angel of the Lord appeared to Gideon and addressed him as a mighty man of valor and said, go and save Israel. And all he was supposed to do was to say, yes, sir, I will go. But instead he said, who am I? Or how can I save Israel? My response, how can you not save Israel? He brought a charge over himself. He said, I'm not good enough. He said, God cannot use me. And that is a charge. And Romans 8:33 says that who will bring any charge against those whom God has chosen? There are some external charges, but you better not be the one to whip up a charge from within against yourself. If God has chosen you, you are qualified and you are fit for the job. Before I sign up, I want to bring my new book to your attention, recently published by TBN. The title is God of Cycles: Why Tomorrow Will Be Better Than Yesterday. And today, we all want tomorrow to be better. Read this book. You can find it on Amazon, Barnes & Nobles, and on all major book sites and in all major bookstores. Grab a copy. Your life will never be the same. God bless you. Please join me again tomorrow as I conclude this series on the charges that are brought against us.